So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download 7-zip. And now once you're on this, we're going to be having two downloads, x64 and x86. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And now once you're on this, next to system type is going to be telling you. So for me, I'm on x64, so I'm going to get the x64 download. If your one says 32 or x86, then you want to get the other download. Now for me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to be getting the x64 download, this one right here. I'm going to click on download, and it should now be downloaded. Now once that's been downloaded, we're just going to click on it. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on install. And then once that's been installed, you're going to click on close. Now for the last step, you just want to find the folder that you're having a problem with. You're going to right click on it, and then click on show more options, and then click on 7-zip. Now you're going to click on extract here. And now the files or the folders that were in the zip folder should now appear, and then this should now fix your problem.